Hi viewers, welcome to Max IELTS tutorial. If you are a first time viewer of our channel, then subscribe our channel without fail. In today's video, we will be discussing how to attend an IELTS academic writing task 1 when you are given with a bar graph. Before moving forward, we shall first have a glimpse of the points to remember. Don't write more than 4 paragraphs for your report writing, and stick on to this structure of 4 paragraphs. Don't even try to write lesser than 4 paragraphs. The word limit which you will have to maintain to write a report writing is a minimum of 150 words to a maximum of 180 words. Don't spend more than 20 minutes to complete your writing task 1. Talking about the evaluation criteria, there are 4 evaluation strategies which you will be evaluated on. The first evaluation criteria is task achievement or task response. The examiner will see if you have given a clear overview, if the key features are clearly highlighting and well illustrated, and if all the requirements are sufficiently covered. The second evaluation criteria is coherence and cohesion. To increase your score in coherence and cohesion, you should plan where to put your information. Have 4 body paragraphs and use a range of linking devices. Avoid mistakes with linking words. The third component of evaluation criteria is lexical resources. You will have to use a range of vocabulary for representing accurate data. Avoid spelling mistakes and don't use the wrong words or informal language. The fourth evaluation criteria is grammatical range and accuracy. Here, they test you that if you have used a wide range of complex structures and if most sentences are free of errors. Now, let us look at the question for discussion. The question goes like this. The chart below gives information about Somland's main exports in 2005, 2015 and future projections for 2025. Summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features and make comparisons where relevant. Always don't start off with a fair draft directly. Utilize at least 10 minutes out of the 20 minutes that is given to you to complete the task for preparing the rough draft first and then start writing the report clearly. Now, let us have a look at the rough draft. The first component is the introduction paragraph. In the introduction, we must paraphrase the given question and other details in the graph given. The second component of the report is the overview. Here, we will have to give the summary of the given report, highlighting the important features of the report without mentioning the statistical data. Moving on to the first body paragraph, since we have 3 categories, that is, meat products, dairy products, and tourism to be discussed, we shall first start off with the field that has the highest revenue and move down to the second highest and then the third highest. In the first body paragraph, we shall discuss about the first 2 leading products, that is, tourism and dairy products. Some of the striking features which you will have to highlight here are international tourism recorded highest revenue of 6 billion US dollars in 2005, which rose to 7 billion US dollars in 2015 and is estimated to raise to 8 billion US dollars in 2025. And talking about the dairy products, we can see that in 2005 it records 5 billion US dollars, which elevated to 8 billion US dollars in 2015, which is expected to be dropped in the future. Now, moving on to the body paragraph 2, as discussed earlier, we shall discuss about the meat products here, highlighting features like it registered 4 billion US dollars in 2005, which dropped to less than 4 billion US dollars and is predicted to have the same direction of growth in the future as well. Now, let us start off writing the fair draft. The presented bar graph illustrates revenue earned from Somlen's top exports, namely meat products, dairy products, and international tourism in 2005 and 2015. And it also indicates future projection for 2025. Units are measured in billions of dollars for each product and service. Overall, meat products didn't contribute to the economy of Somlands, while dairy products and international tourism have brought serious revenues. First of all, in 2005, international tourism took its peak of the three industries with just over $6 billion. This figure rose remarkably to almost $7 billion in 2015. It is estimated that it will hit the peak earning of around 8 billion in 2025. In 2005, dairy products had contributed almost 5 billion, and in 2015 it is elevated to about $8 billion. Furthermore, a slight drop in revenue is expected. Finally, meat products record the highest rate of export in 2005, which is $4 billion. In the following 10 years, the exports slightly dropped, leaving the income slightly less than $4 billion. However, the estimation for 2025 shows that the rate will continue to drop in the same direction. Hope the video was informative. And if you like the video, please like and share our video and do subscribe our channel without fail. And click on the bell button to get notifications of our future videos. You can also follow us on our Instagram and Facebook pages. Until next time, have a happy learning.